Alright guys, today make a short video over the unboxing of the Stargazer number 12 that I ordered. This is how it came in. Box is crushed, the box is open. The bottom of it is kind of damp. I'm not sure if there was anything else that came with it, but pull the skillet out. You could definitely see that it rode in the box pretty hard because it's flat in that one area. Alright, so let's look at this thing. Alright, so this is the Stargazer 12. It looks like it's got a little book, got a Stargazer sticker, and another Stargazer sticker, and Stargazer. Go over it real good because, like I said, it had a rough ride here. I do not see any damage, thankfully. And it's from 2023. It's like October the 16th, or yeah, I don't think that's a 6. It could be an 8. It looks like an 8. So October the 18th, 2023. It's got looks pretty good. It's got a couple little dots on it and divots in it. Nothing major though. I just hope it cooks good. So, alright guys, this is the opening and we will take and cook with it soon.